Hey sis, it's your girl Candy with an E, CEO of Candy Enterprises and your president for Boss Sis. Let me tell you something powerful today. When women empower women, we change the narrative, we shift rooms, we break cycles, and we build legacy. I'm not just talking about likes and comments, I'm talking about real support, business, strategy, sisterhood. And when we come together, ooh, child, that's when the magic happens. So if you're ready to level up, walk in your purpose, and link on with women doing the work, this is your time. Follow me right here and get behind the scene looks at how we are building Bosses Season 2. And yes, honey, it's coming and it's bigger than ever. We're not just walking the glow up, we're creating it. Let's rise together.